Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to sync Outlook to Google Calendar. So first thing that we should do here is we just have to open any of our web browser, or you can also open your Outlook application. After that, you just have to go to your calendar. All right, so this is our calendar right here. And then we just have to click on the gear icon or the settings. So this one, that's right, and then proceed to the calendar and click on the shared calendars. So right here, just have to select the calendar. That's right, and then here you also need to select the calendar that you want to publish. After that, you just have to select the permission. All right, so I'm going to choose the can view when I am busy, and then you just have to publish this one. Okay, so after that, you just have to open your Google Calendars. I have my Google Calendar right here, and then proceed here to the other calendar sections, and then you just have to click on this add other calendars, and then select from URL. Okay, and then after that, you just have to paste here now the ICS link. So you have to go back here. Then you have here now the ICS links. You just have to click on it, copy the link. That's right. And then go back to Google Calendar, and then you just have to paste here now the link. After that, click on the add calendar option. All right, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.